Good afternoon. Bali, ito nga pala sir yung kinakabitan ng Ford Ranger na simula pa 2015 yung ilaw niya ngayon lang sir nag-upgrade. So, ang tagal na rin. Ganun katagal si Kiyon Sondra. Then ngayon, andito si sir, may mga unting interview lang ako, may mga unting katanungan. Sir, tanong ko lang, ano bang performance sa ni Kiyon Sondra o gaano siya, katagal siya naglagi sa'yo sir, yung first gen namin?
Well, to start with, I known Kio Sondra for before the owner of Kion Sondra. I know him before he started this business. So when I bought the car last 2014, he is the one who suggested that I change the bulb to Kion Sondra. That time, it was starting and quite popular that time. So he said, if I'm willing to use the Kion Sondra, I said, why not? So 2015, it was installed in my pickup. Until today, I'm satisfied with the performance. It's just the low beam is not working well, but the high beam still alive. But the quality is good. Almost 10 years of non-stop usage. So okay, and the product is a good quality one. I can say it's a good quality one.
Yun. Bali, si Sir ang nagpapatunay na kung gaano kalakas at kaganda ang quality ng Kiyon Sondra. So, ilang years niya rin yung napanabangan. Hanggang ngayon, kung di pa sana namatay si Lobim, so tuloy-tuloy pa ang ano. Din ngayon, sinasabi ko nga sa inyo na itong kinakabit kay Sir is third gen na. So, ito, mas matagal pa kaysa dun sa dating ano. So yun, sir, salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa Kiyon Sondra at
Of course.
paniniwala po.
Of course.
Yun, salamat po. Thank you.